Welcome to part 3, guys and gals. I've got some absolute pure gold for you right now. Let's jump into it. Number 1, I'm going to show you some optimization tactics for your GMB, okay? I'm going to show you some optional links that you can put inside of your video descriptions when you're using video citations. That's going to increase the longevity of those citations. I'm also going to show you how to geotag your pictures and logo inside of your GMB. Number 2, we are going over Google My Business posts, and I got a couple little tricks up my sleeve I'm going to show you today. And number 3, we are going to superpower our backlinks through our Google Drive properties. 4, I'm going to show you some very powerful short links. 5, my absolute favorite, we're sending traffic to our GMB listings for keywords we don't rank for. And let's jump into it right now. First, I want to thank Stephanie Vaughn. Thank you for sending me this meme. I thought it was absolutely hilarious. Back to it. All right, guys, here's some links that you can put in your video citations that's going to help out with the longevity, okay? And these are the URLs in your GMB for your reviews, the URLs for the questions, the URL for your other videos. So what you would do is you would interlink your videos like a daisy chain, okay? The URL to your Google Maps, the URL to your Google Sites, and the URL to your Google Post. Okay, we're going to touch on these throughout the video. All right, guys and gals, this is extremely powerful, and not a lot of people talk about it. And that is geo-tagging your photos. When you geotag a photo, in the eyes of Google, that photo was taken at the location. Hence, that is a validated, trusted photo. This will give you an overall boost. Google does score your GMB as far as a spam. How spammy is your GMB? So we're going to upload a photo here. You can do this with your logos, which is very powerful, and the photos inside of your GMB. We're just going to let's grab the meme. Why not? And if you just saw the photo was uploaded and no geotags were found, which makes sense because this was a meme created on the internet. Another thing here is that's pretty awesome is you can play with the data. So Google reads this. What I would do is document name would be company name. Item description would be your NAP, okay? So I'm going to paste that in there right now, followed by my website. And next is you're going to want to click over here to where it says write EXIF tags, okay? That's what's going to input your locational data, which is going to be the address associated with your GMB. Now, before I go any further, you can also do this for your videos before you upload them into YouTube. You don't need this website or anything like that. You can do it yourself. I'm going to show you now. All right, so to do this to your videos before you upload them to YouTube, come over here. All you need to do is find your video. Find the video you want right here. You're going to right-click, come down to Properties. All right. As you can see, your little folder pops up with all your details. You're going to come over here to Details. All right. Now in Description, your title, you're going to type your company name. Okay. Go ahead and give yourself a 5-star rating. I'm just kidding. You don't have to. All right. And down here at the comments, this is where you're going to put your name, phone number, address, blah, 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 blah. All right. So it's going to look a little something like this when you're done. Hope everybody's tracking. Let's go on to the next hack. All right, next, you're going to want to come over here to the blogger and create a new blog. Make sure whatever profile you're using is the same profile that is connected to your GMB. I'm going to tell you why later. All right, so we're inside a blogger, okay? And we're over here to create a post, not a page. Make sure you have post. First thing we're going to do is we're going to run over here to our locations, and you're going to type in the location that's associated with your GMB, okay? All right, next thing you're going to do is come over here to title. Title is going to be your company name, followed by your main keywords. All right, next we are going to upload our images. I have one here, but normally you would have, a bunch, hopefully. All right, and we're going to choose this file and select. All right, you would have a decent row amount of images here. Don't worry about typing anything crazy or typing in keywords here. It's not going to matter. The only thing we're concerned about right here is indexing this picture, okay? We want Google to index it. Being that Google loves Blogger because it owns Blogger, it's going to index this. I believe Google indexes their own properties something like every 40 seconds, 50 seconds, or something crazy like that. All right, next we're going to update, and boom. So what we've done is we've taken our geotagged photos and uploaded them, and they're going to go through our Google Drive properties, and more on that later on in this video, why that's important. Next hack. All right, here we go, guys. We are going inside my Google My Business, and we are going to utilize post to boost our rankings. Here we go. All right, so first thing I like to do when I'm utilizing this technique, it's called the daisy chain technique. All right, and why this is powerful is because when you post on your Google My Business, it actually becomes a page. Okay, now I need you to think local SEO here. All right. So if we link all those posts together, we are basically interlinking those pages together. You seeing why that's valuable? Maybe? You should. All right. So when utilizing this, first thing I like to do is just kind of add an offer. All right. Offer title really doesn't matter or anything like that. What I really want is to get the first link going. All right. Now I wanted to show you this real quick. This meme right here that we uploaded to Blogger, see how it's automatically uploaded into our Google My Business. All right, we've geotagged it. Do you see how that's impactful? Maybe you should. All right, so I'm gonna just add a photo here. It doesn't really matter about the title. I put the Marketing Divine Awesome Sauce. All right, you see I've just made some generic random posts with not a whole lot of stuff, but I just want to use this as an example. Okay, so boom, we published it. We have a post. Now we want to share that post. I'm going to grab this link, this URL link, okay, and we're going to create another post. All right, so I clicked on event this time. All right, this is where you do it. I just put a generic photo, doesn't really matter about the photo. Event title doesn't really matter. This is what we're going to do. Add more details here. We're going to add a button. Doesn't really matter what button you put, okay, and your link. This is where we're going to link to our second post, okay? You can do this every day, and just like a daisy chain, you're just linking. You're just interlinking web pages, technically is what you're doing on a local SEO level. About a month ago, I took a client's website of mine, and I spent about 3 hours just interlinking pages from that website. And we saw a pretty decently sized organic SEO boost just from that interlinking. That's basically what we're doing here, just on a small scale. All right, now this is another hack that you can use inside of your Google My Business post. All right, we're going to go over here to event. All right, it doesn't matter what photo, all this doesn't matter. We're going to go into more details. We're going to add a button, okay, and link. But instead of linking the previous post or whatever, what we're going to do is we're going to link to the playlist that we created to rank for those high competitive search terms. So basically, you see what we're doing? We're creating like a silo, where we're like a connected web that's just everywhere, all right? And that leads us to our next hack, which is inside of Google Sites, which is in your Google Drive property. All right, now, if you go to sites.google.com, logged in to your Google account that's associated with your GMB, you're going to get these ugly little websites right here. I literally just made this website 2.5 minutes ago, okay? You can tell I put a whole lot of work into it, all right? But what's important here is what a lot of people don't know. The domain authority and the page authority on these websites are just stupid high, and you can spam the crap out of them, and it doesn't even phase it whatsoever, okay? These are great for your GMB, boosting those video citations and your GMB posts. And this is also great for sending backlinks to your main website, giving you an overall boost in your local SEO. And I'm going to show you how to do this now. All right, so I'm going to come over here and get a link to this award-winning, beautiful website over here. And I'm going to check the domain authority and page authority, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So, boom. This has a domain authority of 97 and a page authority of 47. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. I just made this website 3.5 minutes ago. So to utilize those Google sites correctly, we need to hop over here to Twitter. Now, Google loves Twitter. So what we need to do is we need to create the link that we want to put on our site through Twitter, which I did. I just put it, I'm going to copy the link address right here. And what we want is we want the t.co links, okay? And we're going to put them on our domain. Okay, I named this website Domain Booster because that's basically what it is. You're going to boost your GMBs and your main website through these. Matter of fact, you can create several websites and do it through several websites. All right, but the reason that we're going to use these Twitter links is because if we put 10 links on this website, all right, just yourmoneywebsite.com, whatever that is, all right, if we put 10 of those on this website, we're only going to get credit for one link. But if we create Twitter links, t.co links, and we put them on the site, and we put 10 links on this site, we're going to get credit for 10 links. Pretty nifty, huh? I thought so too. And I'm also going to show you something awesome and a reason why I really like using these Twitter links. Now, I'm going to show you how to add your links correctly and a little trick that I like to use with these t.co links. All right, so let's just scroll down. All right, these Google, that's what it's the only, all right, here we go. So let's just say I want to anchor text the word powerful, all right? And then I'm going to drop the link in here. I'm going to paste my t.co link, but this is what's really awesome about this, is you can actually add hashtags to these t.co links. So hashtag whatever your keyword. So let's just say marketing agency is, or Indianapolis. All right, what's cool here is you can put like your long tail keywords and point them at your YouTube video citations. This is going to give you some juice. All right, you tracking? Good. Another thing I like to use with these t.co links is to put them on like Facebook posts, any type of social media through the company, because you're sending traffic through these t.co links with these keywords attached to them. RankBrain, the artificial intelligence, is going to start associating your Google My Business listing with those keywords. Pretty neat. Basically, what we're doing with these Google sites is that we're hijacking the domain, the authority from them, and we're pointing them at our GMB, at our business site. We're pointing them at our video citations on YouTube, and we're pointing them at our money site, our main website, and getting an overall SEO boost. Okay, so if you followed everything in this video, you've interlinked all your you've interlinked the heck out of your business site and linked out to your video citation, sought some juice out, some power there. Okay, you've done it here. You've interlinked your you've backlinked your video citations. You've backlinked your business site. Okay, and you've backlinked your main website. All right. Very extremely powerful. We've created this entire silo, this entire connected of all your Google properties, okay? And we've just stacked them and packed them together and connected them. And now we have this authority entity, okay, that is going to be a ranking monster. I hope you guys see the power in this, all right? And if you don't, just do what I say and see the results. Now, to the next and last hack, we are going to send keywords to your GMB without being able to rank for those keywords. Let's go right now. So I went over here to Google and I just typed in plumbers Indianapolis. All right, and I'm just using this for an example. It's irrelevant. You can do it. Just watch. All right, we're going to scroll down here to the map pack right here and we're going to go check it out. All right, now let's just say we were with it doesn't matter, Hope Plumbing. All right, I'm clicking one. All right, as you can see, we have our little knowledge panel pull up right here. Now, if you look above here, you can actually see our search query keywords that got us here is plumbers Indianapolis. All right, now watch this. Let's just say, let's go, let's do something really like out there. Let's go hammer. All right. Boom, hammer. Nope. It's still Hope Plumbing. So let's just say, let's do another one. Let's do another one. Apple. All right, now. Nope, Hope Plumbing. So in the eyes of Google, Apple Indianapolis got us to this GMB. All right. Now, why is this important? Well, you can actually sprinkle around these links right here and send traffic to them. All right. What I do with some of my clients that have a little bit of a healthier marketing budget is I buy extremely cheap localized traffic. I send them to my Google sites, and all I do is make a one page very nice, and then I also send traffic through these links right here also. Okay, I do it like with Facebook. I'll go with like audience network only. All right, I mean, get them really cheap. Google display campaign. I'll drop this link in here. I'm just trying to send cheap traffic to these. All right, I don't spend a fortune, maybe 50, 100 bucks a month. All right, but what we're doing here is RankBrain, which is Google's AI, will once again starts just like with the T.co links. We'll start seeing these keywords attached to your GMB, and it will start recognizing those keywords and associate them with your GMB. I promise you, yes, this works. Definitely something more of a long-term longevity strategy than it is where you're going to see a short-term return on it. You can also pay like third-party, I'm not going to suggest any that will send like the bot traffic through these links. That works too, all right? So there you go. You don't have any excuses, all right? Before I go, let's do another one. Let's do Apple and let's do jam. Sounds good. Apple jam, because I know somebody's going to say, well, if you erased that Indianapolis, it wouldn't have done it. So here we go. Well, that might have been a little too crazy. All right, Apple and let's go ball. Boop. There you go. All right. Whatever the keywords are, it's got to have something enough for some type of GMB listing to pop up in order for yours to pop up. That's all I got for you guys. Please give us a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you absolutely hate it. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I've got a lot of work already. I just need to edit it and shoot it out. So I'm going to focus on dropping a video a day until I get up at least to 100 videos. I've got the content to do it. If I don't do it every day, every other day, I'm going to do one more part in this GMB series, and then I'm going to go off and I'm going to do some other stuff with some Google ads, YouTube, Facebook, and then I'll circle back around. So I've kind of got it how I want to do the last part. But if you have anything particular that you want me to add in that part, please drop it down in the comments below in the next couple of days. And please click one of these videos from my channel, would be awesome. And peace.